There are multiple ways you could use anomaly detection across existing generic inquiries, but today we're going to look at how it works for a cost and purchase order example. By detecting abnormal purchase cost early, buyers can renegotiate terms or stop overspending. As you can see here, there is an additional option called Detect Anomalies. As soon as I choose this option, you will notice two additional buttons become available. One is Detect Anomalies at the top, and then we have the Anomaly Detection tab down below. Now what you can choose is the field that you wish to analyse. In this case, if I choose the drop-down, you've got multiple options. I'll leave this at unit cost because what we want to do is compare these costs. We also have a date field for timeline, and this is where, over time, you are able to track the variation and unit costs. And then, down below, we have an update frequency. You can choose depending on the volume of data you have. You can either schedule it daily, weekly, monthly, or on demand. I'm going to leave that on demand, and I'm going to hit Save. If I click on View Inquiry, a table is loaded which has the additional settings on it. If you click on Show Anomaly Settings, you can see what has been defined against that generic inquiry. The other option is to go through and detect anomalies. To explain what is happening in the background, the system has taken the upload data from the generic inquiry and then sends it to the cloud service that runs the machine learning model. The next step is calculation is in progress. Once the calculation is complete, the status has now been set to ready to download. If I execute the next step, what is happening is that it's building the information that it's found and populating it into the generic inquiry. And as you can see at the top here, it's giving an indication of those results and the outcome. If you take a look at PO/ML cost, you can see that it's now completed. I can now go into the generic inquiry, choose the View Inquiry, and it loads up the anomalies that it has detected, highlighted in red, making it easy to identify where potential issues are. From here, I can now take the next step and have a look at the anomaly severity. I can then drill into each one and understand and take a closer look as to why the issues are appearing, allowing you to identify issues before they even become a problem.